Hello, Jodi here from Joli Natural Skincare, and today I want to make sunscreen. So you can make your own. Perfect timing, summer is upon us. So to begin, everything is in grams. So we've got our scales, our pot, equipment. We start with 120 grams of apricot oil. $60 grams of coconut oil. If you didn't want to use coconut oil, you can use grapeseed oil. It may not be as thick because coconut oil is hard at room temperature and grapeseed oil isn't, but you can play around with quantities and get it to a consistency that you like. So 60 grams. I'm not being super exact with the quantities because it's not a product that I'm selling, so I can give or take a gram or two. 25 grams of shea butter. $20 grams of a hard wax, and here's where you can have a play around. If you used grapeseed oil, you'd add some extra of the hard wax. So 20 grams. And 40 grams of zinc oxide, and this is what gives you the sun protection. And obviously there's a lot in here. Ooh, it's looking pretty full. Now we melt all this lightly, slowly on a low heat, low to medium heat, and we'll come back to it and go over the next steps. Okay, so here's what it looks like after it's all melted together. It's still bubbling away because the pot is hot. And obviously we'd leave this to cool, but I'm going to add a twist because that's how I roll. I'm going to add a touch of tint. I've never made this before, so I don't know what it will look like on the skin, but I anticipate a bit of a white hue. So I'm going to go in with some light beige mineral powder. can see it's gone slight soft beige there. So far nothing too dramatic, but I'm going to try something, so just put it on my skin. So it solidifies, look at that. Oh, and then it melts in, that's nice, there we go. So you really can't see any kind of white tinge there. The zinc has gone into the skin quite nicely. Nonetheless, I shall put another bit of beige in. Oh, there we go, it's got an even nicer milky colour, sort of a latte colour, chai latte. And then we leave this to cool, and we'll see how it looks once it's cool. Will it be a soft, thin liquid, or will it be thicker? We'll wait and see. So I've been chilling it for about half an hour. You can see it's getting thicker. It's still moderately warm to touch. It's starting to get more creamy. So we've made about 250 grams here. So let's look what it looks like. Let's see. So it leaves a little bit of a white sheen, nothing too dramatic. And when you're using this, you put it on 20 minutes before you go outside, and then you reapply every hour. And give it a test first. It may not be suitable for your skin type if you're really fair or something. It isn't a tested sunscreen because it's just us making it at home. So it's good to do like a little bit of a patch, a test patch and things like that, and just to see how you go. And so then I will put this in a bottle with a little squirt lid so that I can squeeze it out when we're ready to use it. So if you do give it a shot, let me know how you go. Always love to hear from you, and thank you so much for watching.